fuel cell electric vehicle on 44-ton truck has roughly 500 to 700 kilometers. Compare that to a battery electric vehicle with the same payload, also 44-ton, only comes with 350 kilometers. So here you can see where the advantage and disadvantage of these both technologies are. Basically, the efficiency of the powertrains has their advantages and disadvantages, but today I rather would like to talk about the external efficiency of a vehicle, in this particular case the aerodynamics. We at Quantron, we developed the aerodynamic kit, which increases the range by another 10% by reduce the drag coefficient by another 20%. Although fuel cell electric vehicles more and more are getting traction and will also, let's say, reduce the disadvantages and come more and more closer to the advantages of a battery electric vehicle. So it's actually up to the payload, up to the range and up to the benefits for our clients. We at Quantron are very committed to always looking for cutting-edge technologies which brings the customer even further.